Alex is a passionate employee working at a company, and he wants to start his own business, but he's feeling frustrated because he doesn't have any idea to kick it off. He's been trying for years to come up with an idea, but he's failed every single time because all the resources assume he already has ideas, and they just help him pick one. But no one actually explains how to come up with an idea from scratch. That's why he stayed up all night, frustrated, wondering how he could ever come up with an idea. But Alex didn't let his frustration get to him. He decided to start fresh in the morning, with a new day and new opportunities. In the morning, Alex woke up determined to look for a solution to his problem once again. Finally, he managed to find an article titled, "How to Find an Idea." He read that he should pay attention to what people around him are struggling with, what costs them a lot of time or money, or annoys them. What are they doing the old-fashioned way that could be improved? Alex felt a bit excited and waited, hoping something would happen so he could put what he read into action. Now night had fallen, but nothing had happened. He started feeling doubtful and said, "Why don't I see any problems?" Alex felt frustrated again, and unfortunately, he spent most of the night thinking so much that he finally fell asleep from overthinking and forgot to set his alarm for work the next day. Morning came, and Alex woke up to check the time and got a huge shock. He'd overslept and was going to be late for work. He rushed to get dressed and left the house without breakfast, hurried to the bus station, but, as expected, he missed the bus. At that moment, Alex felt like everything was against him. If he waited for the next bus, he'd be late for work. Then he remembered something. He could just order an Uber to get there quickly. He did, and made it to work on time. After work, Alex went home and had dinner. As he sat there thinking about what had happened that morning, he realized something. He realized that it wasn't just about having transportation. He needed transportation that would get him there exactly when he wanted, and quickly. At that moment, Alex understood that the problem wasn't really the world around him. It was the way he was looking at it. But this realization didn't give him an idea. Instead, it took away a long-held illusion he'd clung to for years, the illusion that ideas just come to those who search for them. Then Alex fell silent, thinking. After a moment, in a soft voice, he said, "If ideas don't come to those who look for them, then how will I ever find my idea?" As Alex realized, we need to understand that ideas don't have to be completely new. Their value comes from being different and unique. We don't have to wait for a problem to happen to find an idea. Instead, we need to change the way we look at problems so we can spot one. Ideas don't come on their own. We have to notice the problems around us and the ones others face and try to solve them. Also, the way we see problems is what makes ideas clear. Just like Alex understood that his issue wasn't the transportation itself, but the way he was seeing it.